Most Microsoft Entra groups looks fine until you realize no one actually owns them. No owner means no approvals, broken access, and admin escalation when things go wrong. Most tenants already have this problem. This breaks Entra governance fast. Admins assign members and assume ownership is automatic. It is not. When the owner leaves the company, no one can manage the group and security suffers. Most admins miss this. Always assign at least two owners to every Entra group. No break glass accounts, no temporary users. I show the full setup and best practices on my channel. Go to view group owners, add owners, select more than two owners, one, two, select group owners successfully added. And one setting saves hours and here are the owners.